Good day everyone. Today I will teach you how to convert your PowerPoint presentation into an MP4 or a video presentation. I would like to be of help, especially to all educators out there like me na hindi na rin nakaka-racket dahil stay at home tayo. Welcome to my channel. It's all about finance. Again, this is Rhea Bersamin, a certified public accountant and a financial educator. Please like on this video and click subscribe. Paki-click na rin ng bell button. So first, I suppose you have your PowerPoint presentation with you. Sundan niyo lang to. I use 3 photos here. Ito yung ginagamit natin kadalasan sa IMG. So let's click Animation tab. Click natin ang picture so we can animate one by one. Ito, pili lang tayo ng style kung anong gusto natin. Depende yan sa inyo. Once done, let's go to Slideshow tab. Drop down Record Slideshow. Itong clear if gusto nyo palitan yung na-record nyo. So, click nyo lang clear all timings and narrations. So, for example, mag-start pa lang tayo pag-record. So, click Start Recording from Beginning. Then, Start Recording. So, ayan. Click lang natin, depende sa gusto nating timing. You can also record your narration here. After that, we can review the animation. And now we have to save this to MP4. So click natin yung file, save as. So pili tayo ng location, then dapat yung format is MP4. So let's just wait until matapos siya pa convert. Once done, tingnan natin sa folder. So nakasave na dun yung file natin. Okay, so click natin. So ayun na yung video. Since converted na siya, pwede nyo i-edit para magkaroon ng mga effects. So bahala na kayo dun. So that's simple. Alam na natin kung paano i-convert yung PowerPoint to video for your presentation. So yun lang. Good luck sa inyong lahat. Hope nakatulong ito. Thank you po sa pakikinig. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless. Bye-bye.